If you are going to a website and it isn't displaying as you expect, or you see some kind of issues where it does not look like it's supposed to, then you probably need to clear the cache of your browser. So if you refresh the page, it won't necessarily change. It's because it's stored a copy of that page into the browser's memory, and so it's just pulling up that memory instead of pulling what's live on the website right now. So the way you fix that is to follow the steps I'm going to show you. So this is Google Chrome, and because all modern web browsers are now basically built with Chrome as the core, the steps for this will be pretty similar. So all you're going to have to do is go up to the top corner, as you can see here, and you're going to click on these three little dots. Alright, and then you're going to go down to where you see more tools, and then you're going to look over here and you're going to go into this list and you're going to see clear browsing data. You'll click that. Okay, so now you can see this kind of menu here, and it says, okay, last hour browsing history and that kind of thing. What you're going to do is you're going to go up to time range and set all time. You're going to check browsing history, uncheck cookies, and then leave this one. This is the important one. Cached images and files. This is what's saving the page in your browser. So you want to make sure that this is checked. And then you're just going to click on this clear data. Okay? And that's it. Now you go back to your web page and you can click on the little refresh button, or you can press F5 if you're on a Windows computer, and it will reload the page. So let's go ahead and do that. And as you can see, the page is now different, and the memory has been cleared, so now it will pull a live version of the website in your browser. And that's how you do that.